Hey, this is Philippe with Fontana Forni. Today, we're showing you the Mangiafuoco wood oven. This oven today is shown in countertop installation, and I'm going to be able to go through all the components for you. The oven arrives pre-assembled. The chimney and chimney cap come disassembled, but it's a male-female fitting that slides in place. The door comes with the oven, and inside your oven, you have a Parallenia. This keeps your wood from falling onto your cooking surface. When looking at the Fontana oven, it comes with two very important components, one of which is a damper on your chimney. This allows you to be able to control how much heat escapes while your door is completely on. The other component is a safety mechanism inside of the oven. It is a cordon steel shield insert. That guarantees the longevity of your dome because it receives the brunt force of all the heat trauma and can always be replaced down the road.